incredibly physically and mentally demanding.
You're using your muscles, you're using up all of your energy, you have no oxygen.
It's going to be the biggest challenge I've had in my personal life for a long time.
It's like it erodes the layers of your mind and digs all the way down to the bedrock of your mind.